Hello everyone, welcome to Lifescience Insider. In this video, I am going to tell you about there is an opportunity for assistant professor in the university Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University. This university is in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar in Maharashtra state. And this is the particular website for this university, that is www.bamu.ac.in. Okay, so this is the faculty position of assistant professor in the university departments. So basically this advertisement number is given here. So what they are writing and what they want to say and what are the eligibility, everything we will be talking about. So online applications is in the prescribed form are invited from eligible Indian nationals for teaching post of assistant professor on consolidated salary of 32,000 per month on purely temporary basis for period of 11 months. Post created from the university fund in the university department, university sub-campus departments, Deen Dayal, Upadhyay, Kaushal, Kendra, pre-IAS coaching center and Santpith, Paithan from the grants received from the state government as shown below. So as to reach the undersigned on or before the following dates. The terms and the condition of the said appointment will be as per of the direction. Basically this number approved by the management council of the university. So the last date for the online submission of the application is 25th June 2024. Today is 22nd June and the last date for the receipt of application, that is hard copy in the university office to be sent, basically is the 1st July 2024. And TET Online Examination held on the 13th July to 14th July. Okay, so the last date is for the online submission is 25th June and the hard copy of the last date for the receipt of application from the hard copy of the hard copy which is being sent to the university is 1st July and the examination will be happening from 13th July and the 14th July as well. So general and minimum qualification that they have asked for this assistant professor recruitment or this vacancy. This assistant professor good academic record as defined by the concerned university with at least 55% mark or an equivalent grade in a point scale wherever grading system is followed. At the master's degree level in a relevant subject from an Indian university or an equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university. Besides fulfilling the above qualification, the candidate must have declared the National Eligibility Test NET conducted by the UGC, CSIR or similar test accredited with the UGC like SLET or SET. Notwithstanding anything contained in subclauses 1 and 2nd to this clause, that is 441, candidates who have been awarded a PhD degree in accordance with the University Grant Commission minimum standard and procedure for award of PhD degree Regulation 2009 shall be exempted from the requirement of minimum eligibility condition of NET and SET. So what they're saying, if you have NET by UGC or CSR, that is okay to go. But instead of if you have the PhD degree and not having the NET, so still you are eligible for that. And the NET/SLET shall not be required for such master programs in discipline for the which NET/SLET is not conducted. Okay, so the some of the master program where NET/SLET is not required, so it will not required for these candidates also. After the scrutiny of the received application, eligible candidates will have to appear for the online qualifying test conducted at exam centers for 80 marks of MCQ based on based questions carrying 1 mark each. Duration of the test will be 90 minutes. Okay, 0.5 marks will be deducted for the each wrong answer. Date and the time of the oral interview will be communicated separately. 5 candidates on merit will be called for personal interview. Weightage for the written test will be 80% and for the interview 20%. If the number of the applicant for the particular subject are less than 5, the qualifying test will not conducted and the eligible candidate will call for the personal interview. If the number of applicants for the particular subject are less than 5, then the qualifying degree which is conducted and eligible candidate will be called for personal interview. Okay, if you are less than 5 for a particular subject. Qualification pre-IS coaching center course is below. Industrial automation pre-IS coaching center position SAT, NET, PhD in relevant subject. Preference will be given to the candidate who have appeared in the UPSC, MPSC uh, the Maharashtra PSC mains examination for UPSC MPSC coachings, okay, in the industrial automation or in the automotive. And the qualification is for the Dayal Upadhyay Kaushal Kendra course as below, okay. Assistant professor, industrial automation, essential qualification having like you should have the MSc in physics, electronic specialization, at least 55 marks in the NET SLET physics, MSc in electronics, like, or having the MSc in electronics with at least 55 marks on NET SLET in the electronics, or having the MTech with the first class in electronics and telecommunication, instrumentation engineering, mechatronics, notwithstanding anything contain above candidate who are or have been awarded a PhD degree in physics or electronics in accordance with the University Grant Commission minimum standard and procedure for award of PhD degree. Regulation 2009 shall be exempted from the requirement of the minimum eligibility criteria. Like desirable are you should have a PhD in the relevant field, like mechanical engineering or this MTech or ME. Teaching, research, industrial, professional experience in a reputed organization, or and also you should have a paper published in a referred journals, okay. And the assistant professor for the automotive, they are asking the PhD in the relevant field, teaching, research, or any experiences on also having the paper published in the referred to all journals. And also qualification from the Santpith, Paithan district, Aurangabad courses. These are some of the things that Tukaram Gatha Granth Parichaya, a lot of things are being given, and the similar it is being written in the Maharashtrian, so I'm not able to Marathi, I'm not able to read it properly, so you can check if it is relevant to you. And these are following things that they have given this department subject for fund, okay. So in the Marathi there will be a 2 posts, for Hindi 1 post, English, foreign language, German, Russian 1 post are there. For Urdu there is 1 post, history, economics 1 post, and sociology. The most important thing for ourselves is the life science, okay. So the biochemistry having the 2 post, chemistry having the 4 post, botany having the 5 post, zoology having the 7 post. The zoology have the maximum post, then followed by botany also, okay. So you should be applying here. Let's see what happens, because if you clear this examination or and you got into the interview, so that is actually good for you, so you will get an experience also. They are also offering the 3 seats in the nanotechnology as well. In the forensic science they are offering 6 fields, okay. So basically 6 vacancies are there, 6 posts will be there, so this is something very important, okay. And Mahatma Phule and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar thought there is also this is a kind of subject, you know. So yeah, so in the biotechnology, Dharashiv granted like 2 seats are there. For the microbiology 1 seats are there. For the biotechnology 2 seats are there. So there are plenty of seats. You should be applying, you should be getting into this. And thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you do not want to miss any kind of opportunity related to the project life science, like PhD admissions and the recruitment of the faculty in any kind of university, so anything which is related to the life science basically will be notified in this channel. So I would like to ask you for subscribing this channel. Thank you so much guys, have a good day.